Alright, so Mr. Lodge is out here detecting on the top lot today. Let's hope we can find something good.
Okay everybody, so thank you for watching, and if you like what you see, please like, subscribe, and comment. And please share CLAR with your friends. Thank you very much for watching. Never find dimes. This is amazing.
Right here at the foot of the slide. What you got, Lodge?
I never get these. I finally got another dime.
Excellent work.
Awesome.
Alright, so I'm back out on the field. I'm swinging the Apex with the Viper coil as always. And my first find of the day is a memorial. Can't see the date. Let's hope we find something older.
Alright, so a lot of the time when you're out metal detecting, you'll find some good surface finds if you're just wandering out and paying attention. And I found a good one. And there it is. Very good shape baseball. Elijah's gonna love that. Great find.
So my one solo hole today swinging the AT Pro, and I have great history with AT Pro. I've found wheat, I've found quarters with AT Pro. But my one actual solo hole today is a piece of red garbage, it looks like. Womp womp. Alright, Lodge is doing his classic technique. The pinpointer, a dangle. Just follow him around this tree. He's pinpointer dangling. You ever find anything good like that?
Huh?
Did you ever find anything good like that?
Yeah, I found a copper penny.
Wow, not bad. We'll check back in on this pinpointer dangle in a minute.
Alright, we're out doing a little digging. This old baseball park. Kind of out in the woods. Checking everything out. And I got my first find here of the day. And it looks to be a state quarter. I'm not sure what state. But it's 2017. And it's a decent find. 25 cents richer. A little money for Sudoku.
This is my hole here that I thought was that red thing, but Elijah just found what it actually was. What is
John's
it?
got the most special thing out of all of them. Most special pull tab. A bent one.
The bentedest pull tab ever.
On to the next.
Thank you. Alright, so I just sat down right here to take a break at this little beautiful picnic table. And right next to where I was sitting, as soon as I turned the detector back on, I found that clad dime. Pretty sweet. Just still pinpointer dangling. What have you got, dude?
This is a weird piece of metal. I don't know
Weird
what that's for.
piece of metal. Oh, that's a sweet hook.
Oh, it is?
I dig it, dude. Very neat. Alright, so this hole right here, see I'm on the edge of the street, this hole right here, I already got a copper memorial out of it. But the pinpointer told me there's something else down there too. Let's hope for silver.
Okay, so that copper penny, that is not the good thing I found with this pinpointer dangling. This is something good. This is half of a pin. I'm pretty sure it's from this place that we're at right now. It's half of a pin. Oh wait, no, that's a whole pin. It just looked like it was broken. That's really cool.
That's pretty neat.
It's got some letters on it, but I haven't figured out what it is yet. There's a little pin on the back. I might straighten that out later and wear it sometimes, maybe.
That's pretty awesome, dude.
Yeah.
That's a sweet pinpointer dangle.
I know.
Awesome work, dude. And this hole right here, it is a state quarter. Looks like Connecticut. Hey, at least it's the first quarter I've found at this site, right? What have you just done found now with the pinpointer dangle?
A penny.
Penny.
It's new, but I still found something. See? I told y'all that this is a good way to find something.
Excellent. Alright, so I'm on the edge of the woods right here. My first find of this site. Right really on top of the ground, just on the leaves. Found a shield scent. Let's keep digging. Alright, so this hole right here, I got a banging 80, 81. It's already pretty deep. I'm gonna get Elijah over here to pinpoint this for me. Let's hope it's something good.
Alright, I'm out here with the Equinox. Out here in this park still. Starting to run into a little bit older stuff. I didn't really expect to find too much older things out here. You know, probably 60s and up modern coins. But I just found right here in this hole my first token of the day. And it looks like, let's see what we got. Looks like Showbiz Pizza. That's Showbiz, that is what, before Chuck E. Cheese. So that's a very cool little token I found there. I remember seeing these. Been a long time, but pretty cool find. Let's keep digging. Looks like we got a little spot over here where things are just, it's just kind of like they put all this fill dirt over here. So I've been finding a lot of random stuff and change, but just keep on going and see what we can find.
Alright, so this is the hole that I was just throwing over a second ago. Elijah's pinpointing it for me. I know it's down in the hole. You remember the carrots that has more sensitivity adjustments? Huh?
Look.
Yeah?
It's not really, it must be deeper.
In this hole right here forever. This was so deep. We missed point pinpoint.
John has been digging this hole. John doesn't mean forever. He means for about 30 minutes. 30 minutes.
Alright, show us what we got, Elijah.
Finally, we finally found what it is. It's a 19, I mean, no, not, oh.
Ah.
It's gone now. It's gone forever. Okay. He found a, oh no, it's not a 2007 like I thought. It's 2003.
2003 dime. That was like 12 inches deep. What a load of garbage.
No, it was not. It was only like 4. And you kept on digging for like 12 inches. My thing can't even go that deep.
Alright, so right here next to this picnic table, right over here in this hole, I found my second state quarter of the day. This one, oops. This one looks like Michigan. Let's keep digging. I'm going to do Garrett, Carrot, and Elijah just found the find of the day. What you got, Elijah?
I just got this little bird. And guess what? It's got that painted that side, and it's got another color on the other side.
Wow.
And it is extremely heavy for this tiny little bird.
Dude, that's awesome. That is awesome.
On to the next.
Thank you. Alright, so it's been a hot day out here today. We're going to do a quick CLAR wrap up. And you see right here I got some random trash. So this was that, this piece of wire, that was the other thing in that hole I mentioned earlier. I got, you know, and I got more than this, but I got some random pull tabs. This odd one was pretty neat. Random big piece of iron, looks like it's welded together. I have, what, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 Lincoln cents, 2 clad dimes, and the Connecticut state quarter. You know, I wish it was a Connecticut copper. That'd be exciting, but all in all, not a bad day. I'm gonna get me a lemonade or an iced tea and cool off. And CLAR, as always, we dig it all 24/6. Alright, so quick CLAR roundup here. What do you got, Shawn?
I got some aluminum thingy. Thought that was pretty neat. I guess there's a piece of a flashlight. I got a button.
Sweet button.
Couple of quarters. Dime. copper penny, and a zinkin. And I got this sweet Showbiz token. That's pre Chuck E. Cheese right there.
I want to get a still photo of that because I'm sure the video doesn't do it justice. But
Yeah,
that's pretty sweet.
That is pretty cool, I thought.
Oh, let's see there. Let's see the other side. Excellent. And looks like you got a baseball as well.
Yep, baseballs. That was a good surface find.
Baseball, nice surface find. So my surface find, I found that tennis ball, a pin number 1, only the best. I've got 3 zinc and cents there. One of those is a memorial over the top. I have 3 clad dimes. That's a state quarter. And all in all, pretty short hunt, but all in all, pretty fun. And CLAR, as always, we dig it all.
24/6.
That's right.
Happy diggins.
Let's do a quick CLAR roundup. I'm gonna look to my stuff first. So all I got today was the biggest hole I ever dug a clad dime out of, and an exquisitely bent pull tab.
Best pull
But
tab.
Elijah's doing a lot of pinpointer dangling today. So let's do it.
I literally pinpoint or dangled for about 2 hours.
All right, so let's see what you got. Close the box with the good stuff. All right, so there's a bunch of trash. So what all did you get, Elijah?
So I got these 2 little wires. I found them about probably this far apart. They both go together. Found all these nails. Somebody, for some reason, put them all in a driveway.
It's gross, people.
Found these 2
S hooks.
S hooks and this D. I don't know what that's for. Found all of these.
All caps.
And all
Some
this
random canned slaw.
And Dove chocolate.
Dove chocolate, very nice.
2 chunks of iron. Those actually did sound like an 85. It sounded like a dime. Got this
Carabiner.
Carabiner. It doesn't really work. Whenever you put it that way, it just falls back. So it doesn't really work anymore. I found all these pull tabs. How many pull tabs is that?
8 looks
8?
like.
Wow, that's a lot. Anybody need a sharpener? I mean,
eraser? Yeah.
Eraser. Oh, I messed up. Darn it. And this thingy. A pen.
That's a usable pen, by the
Yeah,
way.
it actually does work.
Yeah.
Don't throw on your hand.
It does work. Excellent. Good work.
And that was with all the nails in the driveway. Got these 2
Pretty sweet
pennies.
little snap button there. 2 pennies.
2020 and 1994. Little snap button. I don't really know what this is.
I think it's some sort of compression fitting. It looks like pretty neat.
Probably.
What in the world is that?
All right, let's see the good finds.
Okay. So, these 2 of these good finds of today were actually from the pinpointer dangling, and the best 2 ones were from pinpointer dangling.
Mm-hmm.
So, first I've got my dime. Oh yeah, that wasn't from the pinpointer dangling. It was from the metal detector, and these 2 were. I got this cute little bird, and it's actually painted differently on each side. This is a blue and white,
Excellent.
and that's like a red, orange. I don't know. I'm colorblind.
Yeah.
And I got this. You have to be an all-star. You have to be an all-star to get this. This is a Cal Ripken
All-Star Baseball.
Yeah, and those are really, really rare.
That's pretty sweet, dude. Good finds, good digging. CLAR, as always, we dig it all.
24/6.
That's right.